Welcome to study point. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning part. The first question is Vistara India sky mark question mark. So here given in part book Vistara India. What is the relation between Vistara India? So, see here from analyzing left side we can conclude that Vistara is Indian airline. So Vistara is Indian airline. By using the same logic, we can conclude that Skymark is the airlines of Japan. So in second group, Skymark and Japan. So in question mark, the correct answer is Japan. Here given option B, Japan. Our next question is adult patient conflict question mark. So in first group, adult and patient. So what is the relation between adult and patient? See here, adult is similar to patient. That means adult is the synonyms of patient. So in same logic, conflict is similar to class. But conflict is the synonyms of class. So our correct answer is option B, class. Our next question is crook, criminal, crusade, question mark. So in first group, crook and criminal. So here crook is the synonym of criminal. So in same logic, so what is the similar word of crusade? Crusade is the synonym of campaign. So our correct answer is campaign. The campaign option A. Our next question is again crooked, straight, stale, question mark. So our first group crooked and straight. What is the relation between crooked and straight? See here, crooked is the antonym of straight. That means opposite word of crooked is straight. So with same logic, here stale is the antonym of fresh. Opposite of stale is fresh. So our correct answer is fresh. Here given option A, fresh. Now our next question is KWPH, GPLD, JYPF and question mark. Here see first group KWPH, GPLD. So see here K and G. What is the relation between K and G? K minus 4 Z. Then WT. W minus 4 T. Then PL. P minus 4 L. Then H D. H minus 4 D. With same logic. We get JYPF. J minus 4 F. Y minus 4 U. P minus 4 P. F minus 4 B. So our correct answer is F U P B. So here option given option B, F U